Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Recipe Keeper, Organizeat, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Recipe Keeper, Organizeat, is a versatile recipe and meal management app designed to help home cooks and meal preppers organize, store, and plan their meals efficiently. The app allows users to import recipes from websites, manually add their own recipes, and categorize them for easy access. It also supports grocery list creation, meal planning calendars, nutritional tracking, and offline access. Users can bookmark favorites and sync content across devices, making meal prep convenient and personalized. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users widely appreciate the clean interface, intuitive navigation, and the ability to quickly find and organize recipes. Meal planning and grocery list features are particularly praised for saving time and reducing stress in everyday cooking. The offline access feature ensures recipes are always available, even without internet connectivity, and customization options allow users to tailor the app to their cooking style. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some advanced features require a subscription, which may not be suitable for everyone. Occasionally, users report syncing issues across devices, and certain features like nutritional tracking may feel basic compared to dedicated nutrition apps. Its usefulness heavily depends on consistent use. Without regular input of recipes, the app may feel underutilized. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, Recipe Keeper, Organizeat, may be worth using if you want a centralized, mobile-friendly solution for managing recipes, planning meals, and organizing grocery lists. It excels in convenience, customization, and offline accessibility. However, if you are looking for fully free advanced features or highly detailed nutrition analysis, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.